Why use switch statements?
Switch statements offer a clear way to handle multiple conditions based on the value of a single variable or expression. Instead of chaining many if-else blocks, switch statements make your code shorter, more readable, and easier to manage. This is especially helpful when dealing with a fixed set of known options, like menu choices or command types.
The basics of switch syntax.
A typical switch statement starts with the keyword switch, followed by the variable you want to check. Inside curly braces, you list case labels for each possible value, followed by code that runs for that case. A break statement ends each case, preventing accidental fall-through to the next option.
Comparing switch to if-else chains.
A long chain of if-else statements can be hard to read and maintain, especially if you have many possible values to check. Switch statements group related conditions in one block, making the code neater and clearer. This structure reduces the chance of mistakes and helps others understand your intent quickly.
When to use switch statements.
The switch statements are ideal when you need to compare a single variable against several constant values, like checking a user's choice or categorizing input. However, they are usually limited to simple data types, like numbers or strings, and may not be suitable for complex logic. Use switch statements for straightforward, value-based branches.
Best practices for cleaner code.
Use descriptive case labels and keep the code inside each case brief. Always include a default case to handle unexpected values. Avoid deeply nesting switch statements, as this can make code confusing. By following these tips, you can make your code more organized and easier to maintain using switch statements.